Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to notarize a letter. Notarization is a crucial step that adds legal validity to your important documents. It involves a certified professional, known as a notary public, verifying the identities of everyone signing the letter. This ensures that all parties are who they claim to be and are signing willingly. It's a simple process that provides an extra layer of security and trust for your written communications. Before you visit a notary, make sure your letter is fully completed and ready. It's very important that you do not sign the document beforehand. The notary needs to witness your signature in person. Also, gather your valid government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. If other people are signing, they must also be present with their own identification. Finding a notary public is usually quite easy. Many banks, credit unions, and even some shipping stores offer notary services. You can also check with law offices or public libraries in your area. When you go, remember to bring your complete, unsigned letter and your valid photo identification. The notary will carefully verify your identity and then witness you signing the document. Once you've signed the letter in front of the notary, they will complete the process by applying their official seal and signature. This seal confirms the authenticity of the notarization. They will also record the details in their official journal, as required by law. The fee for this service is usually quite small, often ranging from $2 to $10. Your letter is now officially notarized and ready for its intended purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.